Do you feel like you are in a rush in losing weight or achieving your body goal? Starting a journey with fitness goals is never easy, and you must remember this is not a crash diet, it is a lifestyle. You may also find yourself giving up because crash diets are not sustainable. The best approach is to make simple changes to your daily habits over time. Keep on watching because today's we will discuss top 5 fitness tips that changed my life for the better. Stay tuned and be informed. Number 1. Drink more water. Stay hydrated by drinking water regularly, especially during workouts. Carry a reusable bottle, infuse water with fruits for flavor, and listen to your body's thirst signals. Number 2. Prioritize strength training. Focus on power workouts for muscle growth, enhanced metabolism, and improved bone health. Include compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Aim for balanced routines, progressively increase weights, and ensure proper form to maximize benefits. Number 3. Focus on nutrition. Focus on food choice by eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid processed foods, stay mindful of portion sizes, and ensure proper diet intake to fuel your workouts and support entire health. Number 4. Rest and recovery. Calm and healing are vital for muscle repair, preventing burnout, and boosting performance. Ensure adequate sleep, take rest days, and incorporate stretching and relaxation techniques into your routine. Number 5. Set realistic goals. Define practical targets by breaking down your long-term vision into achievable steps. Focus on gradual progress, celebrate small victories, and adjust your goals as needed to stay motivated and on track. The benefits of fitness are endless. But a lot of benefits come with running every day for 20 minutes. One of those benefits are increasing stamina, decreased diseases, and improved overall body functions. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. See you soon for more interesting facts about human body.